Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video we're going to do some Mame testing on the Pocket Go portable system. So let's play some games, let's test them out and let's see how they're running on this little me machine. Stay tuned and let's play some games. Okay, let's test out Cadillac and Dinosaurs. Alright, so keep in mind this one is run on Mame for all. It's highly possible that this emulator is not very supportive of these games. Nice game. Okay. Alright, so okay, yep. Can we skip the intro? No, we can't. No. This one does work. Whoa. What? There are many of them! Ah. Alright, let's try Mortal Kombat. And what you can see, it doesn't run that well. And this is maximum volume, by the way. So Mortal Kombat 2 is not playable. Wow, that sounds horrible. Alright, so let's try Shinobi. This game runs fine. Better than Mortal Kombat 2 and all the other ones. Oh, whoops. The sound is horrible, really horrible. Alright, so for the final conclusion about the Pocket Go and Mame, I think it's pretty cool to play all these arcade games on your little Pocket Go Me machine. But if you have been noticing, not all the games are running perfectly. It is possible the program that is running behind it is not up to date, or maybe you have an idea for a better program. You can always leave it in the comments. this is what you're going to get. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And if you like retro gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.